morning, guys. How are you today? I hope all of you feeling well and happy. Okay, we're gonna study about hydrocarbon. Let's check it out. Okay, what is a hydrocarbon? Who can answer it? Yeah, you are right. Hydrocarbons are compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon. Awesome! Great job, my student. Now, we want to study more about hydrocarbons. As we know, hydrocarbons are of two types. The first one, saturated hydrocarbons, or we can say that alkanes. The example, we can see that butane. And the second one, we have unsaturated hydrocarbons. For the example, alkenes and alkynes. For alkenes, we have ethene, and alkynes, we have propane. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Yeah, that's correct answer. Saturated hydrocarbon means hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by single bonds only. Great job, guys. Thank you. Now we start about alkane. Alkane has general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are held together by single bonds. Now we will see the example for alkanes. We have methane. Methane has one carbon atom only. The molecular formula is CH4. And the second one, we have ethane. For ethane has two carbon atoms and has molecular formula C2H6. And the third one, we have propane. Propane has three carbon atoms and has the molecular formula C3H8. You already know about saturated hydrocarbon. Now, what is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Yes, you're right. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by double or triple bonds. Great job, guys. Thank you. Unsaturated hydrocarbons is divided into two groups. They are alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes contain at least one double bond and has general formula CnH2n. And alkynes contain at least one triple bond and has general formula CnH2n minus 2. The example for alkenes, we have ethene, and for alkynes we have ethyne. Characteristics of alkane. The first four alkanes in homological row are gases at room temperature. The unbranched alkenes, like pentane, through heptadecane, are liquids, whereas higher homologs are solids. The boiling points increase with the number of carbon atoms. Branched alkanes have lower boiling points than their unbranched isomers. Now, we're gonna study about the characteristics of alkene. Alkene is double bond compound and has colorless, also odorless in nature. And alkene is insoluble in water, or we can call that nonpolar compound. And the boiling point increases as the number of carbon atoms in the compound increases. The alkenes are weakly polar just like alkenes but are slightly more reactive than alkenes due to the presence of double bonds. Now, characteristics of alkynes. Alkynes are nonpolar compounds, and alkynes soluble in nonpolar organic solvents, and alkynes has less dense than the water. And alkynes has low melting points and boiling points. Melting point and boiling point increase as the number of carbon increases. Differences between alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes, a federated hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds. Example, methane or CH4. Alkenes, an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by double bonds. Example, ethene. And alkyne is an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by triple bonds. Example, thine. Alkenes has general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes has general formula CnH2n, and alkynes has general formula CnH2n minus 2. Alkane, on adding bromine in CCl4 to methane, no change is observed. Alkenes, on adding bromine in CCl4 to ethene, the reddish-brown color of bromine solution gets the colorized. And the alkynes, on adding bromine in CCl4 to acetylene, the reddish-brown color gets the colorized. Alkane, on adding ammonical silver nitrate, uromethane, no change is observed. Same with alkene, on adding ammonical silver nitrate to ethene, no change is observed. But alkyne, on adding ammonical silver nitrate to acetylene, white precipitation of silver acetylide is formed. Alkanes, on adding few drops of alkaline potassium manganate to methane, no change is observed. Alkenes, on adding few drops of alkaline potassium manganate to ethene, the purple color fades. And for alkynes, on adding few drops of alkaline potassium manganate to acetylene, the purple color fades. Alkanes, they undergo substitution reaction, but alkenes, they undergo addition reaction. Alkynes, and with the alkenes, they undergo addition reaction. Now, we study about uses of alkane. Methane in form natural gas is used for running scooter, car, buses, etc. LPG is a mixture of butane and isobutane. It's used as a fuel in homes as well as industry. Methane is used to make carbon black, which is used in the manufacturing, printing ink, paints, and automobile tires. And catalytic oxidation of alkanes give alcohols, aldehydes, and carboxylic acid. Higher alkanes in form of gasoline, kerosene oil, diesel, lubricating oils, and paraffin wax are widely used. And methane is used for the manufacture of halogen-containing compounds such as CH2SCl2, CH3, CCl4, etc. are used as solvent both in laboratory and industry. Now, uses of alkenes. Lower members of the family are used as fuels and illuminants. Alkenes and substitute alkene upon polymerization form several useful polymers such as polyethylene, PVC, Teflon, Orlon, etc. Ethene is employed for the preparation of ethyl alcohol and ethylene glycol. Antifreeze. Ethylene is used for the artificial ripening of green fruits, and ethylene also used in oxygen ethylene plant for cutting and welding metals. Now, uses of alkyne. Acetylene and its derivatives are widely used in synthetic organic chemistry for the synthesis of these enzymes, alkenes, methyl ketones, etc. And oxyacetylene flame is used for cutting and welding of metals. Acetylene is used as a luminant in hookahs, lamps, and lighthouses. And acetylene is used for ripening fruits and vegetables. Acetylene is used for the manufacture of ethyl alcohol, acetaldehyde, acetic acid, vinyl plastic, synthetic rubber such as butane, and synthetic fiber such as Orlon. Okay, we will continue our lesson to the next meeting, guys. Thank you and God bless you. Stay healthy ya. Bye-bye.